Hello guys, my name is Jennifer and today we will continue our blog posts. So right now, first come to our Pantheon and then we will open up our blog website. Oh, connect with Google.
Usually on Trinity. I had to anything. I all the nine the yeah.
It takes a time.
You get on. I had put it you okay. From that I
Okay, open a new tab and directly search to your blog website. And so this is your website and add a slash next to it, write WP hyphen admin like this. It should look like this dev blog genic penthonsite.io slash WP. So it will directly redirect to us in the admin panel of our WordPress like this. In this, you just have to add your username and password that you have added while making your blog website. So first log in into it, and then today we will learn how we can add different blog posts. So in our post section, there are already made different blogs, but we don't need this by default blog that will look like this. Oh, this is not our website. Oh, okay. So here, click on visit site to see our website in a new tab. Then come to your blog page. Here you can see your different blogs, but these blogs are by defaultly added in that theme we have choose, that is Sakura. And so these are almost same. So what we'll do, come to your post and then delete all this by default post.
yeah. Yeah.
And in the bulk action, select move to cache and click on apply. Now we will first remove all these notifications by close. Remove all these notifications because they are disturbing us while creating this post.
Not
Then
flat
come to your post. Then now click on add new post. Click on add new and then
sorry.
give a title to your post. Like I will write um new for technology, new coding languages in 2020. And I will copy this title. Copy this title and open a new tab and search for BART. So this is our BART, the Google BART. It is an AI that is developed by Google, which will help you create different blog posts. So click on this and then uh, write that title, paste that title in this text box, and in the bottom right, I will write a complete blog post on this title above. Right? Okay. Then click enter. Then in some seconds, it will write complete blog post for you. Let's wait. Okay, perfect. It has given the complete blog post. Now we will copy this complete section and then we will add it here like this. So our blog is ready. It has added different coding languages like Rust, open a new tab. So
Yeah.
we have to make some changes in this. Like yeah, the AI I also copied with this logo, but it has not pasted. It's the image. So we have to remove this some text from this. So edit this blog page according to you want.
Not no. Is that a big either up at 40?
Okay, like this.
I hold on. What? Google? We like in table. Yeah. What did you
So that default all the text I have removed.
how could you crashing out? I like there.
Uh, Wait, like this complete blog is our ready. And now we will click on publish this blog. But before that, we want oh we have to remove this duplicate title from this and then click on update to update your post. Okay, so we have completely updated our first blog post in our website. Now in this right hand side, you will find in the bottom a featured image section. That featured image used to add an image for a blog post. Okay, so we want a blog post here. So for that, what we do, here are some different images. Okay, so we will search for new coding language here, 2023, and then we will come to image section like this, and here are we can select a post like this or any different top programming languages 2023. Like this, we can select this post out, then right click and then click on save image as, and then save that image in your PC and then upload it in your feature image. I have downloaded that image in the download section. Select that image and click on enter. Now click on set feature image. Okay.
Lap.
Now our image has come here and then update it. Then we will come to our blog section. And now here you can see our complete blog is as like our image featuring image is also come here. New coding languages in 2000 posted on August 8, 2020. The world of programming language, our content is showcasing here. In the read more section, we can get come to our blog complete blog. So this is our post. Okay. And in our home section, it will look like this. Now we have to add different blogs. Just we can do this with the same method. First, update your post and then come to your WordPress. Now we have to add different blogs post in the post section. Don't forget that all the posts you are adding in the blog that have should be stored in this post section only. So come to this blog post and then add new. Uh, Make a title of choose a specific category that in that you have to make a blog post. Now my second blog post will be
WordPress, you know,
how to start WordPress. Okay, how to use WordPress for three, six,
that the policy that throughout the
or how to use WordPress for 8. Copy this title, paste it in this
state
like this. So this is a AI website that helps you to sometimes it WordPress for 8 title WordPress. Now maybe it will create that.
the
Now okay, that's done. Uh, Wait, now it has created a blog post.
the other
So now copy this post and then sometimes you have to create a blog post by your own because this AI only gives the information that are already available on the internet. So these things you will find on the internet maybe. So I have created another post and let's publish this. After that, we need an image for this title. So search this title on the on Google and free web hosting pen. Look, doing server and fan flower, which will web free web hosting. Also, we can do a marketing or YouTube channel if we have. So close this tab and then open that featured image section. Set and featured image. Click on upload. Select files and then select that image that you want to upload in the featured image of that blog. Set featured image. Now a featured image is successfully added. Or if you want to add some extra things in your post, then you can uh, click on plus button to add different blocks. Like if you want to add a create cover layout like this, it's showing in the about, or if you want to add an simple image like this, so also you can add it. You want to add gallery, audio, media text, file, cover, buttons, column, different things that you can add here. Like I will add a button to at the bottom. I will add a button here. Search for that. Oh, I have come to the. I will click on the plus button to add a button here. So select that button, click on that, or drag it to that section that you want, in which you want. I will write here visit visit my channel, and click on update, and in the new tab open YouTube. Oops. Search and
हाइपरटेक्स्ट और मार्कअप
copy this
HTML5 एक
URL
लैंग्वेज है जिसके थ्रू वेब पेजेस
in your
डिजाइन किया जाता है।
and then paste it.
1999 में काम करने वाले साइंटिस्ट
Click on that button
ने इसे इन्वेंट किया था। उसी साल इन्होंने दुनिया का सबसे पहला
and if the right hand side then will be the option avoid adding URL माने के लिए और HTML यानी कि स्टैंडर्ड जनरलाइज मार्कअप ओपन लिंक इन अ न्यू टैब जिसका सिंटैक्स I will select that and closing tags होते हैं और इन्हें ही HTML एलिमेंट्स कहते हैं।
HTML के एलिमेंट बेस होते हैं, मतलब
Click on update
एंड इमेजेस को इनके टैग।
and now on your website
1991 से
one that
के
blog
वेरिएशंस आए हैं और अभी तक
now you can see the two blogs here.
एंड
I will open my first the second blog that I have written
कैनवास
and it does not
एलिमेंट्स के मिडल में कंटेंट्स को ऐड किया जाता है, बट इनके इनर
there is a button of my YouTube channel. I will click on it and it will open my channel and you can
एक या अनेक एट्रीब्यूट्स होते हैं जो कि की वैल्यू पैड्स में होते हैं।
if you use like this first start करने के लिए what
एक वेब पेज बनाने के लिए आपको जस्ट एक फाइल
you have to create the website. So I think we have completed all the things we have done, how to add blog and
वेब पेजेस HTML
we have done
स्टार्ट होता
how we can get our
दो चार एलिमेंट होते हैं
in our previous we have
बॉडी
how
टैग टैग के अंदर
Add
इन्फॉर्मेशन डायरेक्टली
blog post in our pages
एंड आल्सो
with the help of
टाइटल
post
मेटा
it like
फॉर द पेज
if you not have
आपने
watched that please watch it
नहीं है सो
you can see that video in the
एलिमेंट
I button
डेटा बाव फर्स्ट टैग के अंदर नहीं स्टोर कर सकते हैं एंड बॉडी टैग के अंदर
that pages
लाइन
can see that here that is the post create
एंड IMG टैग का हम
here we have
इमेजेस जो कि
created two different
फॉर ऐसा
layout
for
for
हम इमेज
adding blog post. The first one is for our home page and then the second one
इमेज
is for our blog page.
एट ए टैग मीन्स एंकर जो कि वेब पेज को लिंक करने की
Like this you can keep showing our blog channel as you want that.
हम पोस्ट URL
Like this you can customize your blog
HTML में
how you want to show your blogs in different pages with the help of this plugin.
और div टैग जिसके अंदर हम
And
एलिमेंट करके ऐड
now in the
UI डिजाइन कर सकते हैं।
in the next video I will create some different demo blogs for you. We will see it in the next video and then we will customize our website according
So this was the onion work of HTML.
in
Subscribe for the upcoming
and we will customize that the logo, that contact page, home page, about page. We will completely customize it and we will showcase it. Also, we will learn how we can do SEO or we can say search engine optimization so that our website will look in our Google or in our internet or different browser how our website will look. And when we will share our website in social media platforms, then how it will showcase in different platforms so that we will learn how to optimize our website in the next. So goodbye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also.